Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Wetransfer to send files. So let's go into the website of Wetransfer here. Once we're here, it will show up like this. I will just go and click on send a file. And here I'm doing for the first time, right? So that's why they are asking me the same question. And here we can send a file up to 2 GB. And they also have a mobile application on Google Play Store. So you can also download it. It will become much more easy. Now I will just go and tap on plus icon. I will give the permission to use it up, right? And here we are. Then we will just go to the, we will select a document here. So let's say a media picker. Now I will select a video here. So let's say I just select this one, right? I can title it up. So let's say I will just completely select this up now, right? And I will just write here test video transfer, right? And I can just write a message. For example, if I'm sending this whatever file it is, whether it's image, video, document or zip file, anything it could be. So let's say I'm sending this to a client, so I can just write here and I will just write here, please check this out, right? So I can just write like this and I can just go and click on next. Now here you can send an email or you can get a link. So what will happen if you just go and click on send an email? So we have to enter this person email here, the receiver email, and then we can send. So directly they will get an email from Wetransfer and they can download the whatever the document it is. Now here this is a link, so I will just go and click on get a link. In a get a link, what will happen? It will finalize each and everything. Now we will get a link and now we can transfer this here. So just wait patiently till it take its moment. Okay, so now it's done. I will copy the link here. Now let's say I have copied the link. I will just go to a new here. I will paste the link. I can share this link, and as you can see here, that person can completely download this up, right? So I can just download this up and right. So here I will just go and click on download. I will show me the details and it has been downloaded. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.